So I'm taking this last roller out, and I'm going to have my wife focus in here. In a lot of videos, this is not a video about how to replace your garage door. This is not a video about how safe to be, okay? But it's my observation. In a lot of videos, they tell you that you cannot do this last one, the bottom ones, because they are attached to the bracket that holds the cable on the door. In fact, you can see that this is just one little plate that's attached to the outside of this entire bracket. So this plate, I believe, I didn't do it with the door closed because I wanted to be sure, but I believe that I could have done this with the door closed, because it just comes right off and is not actually the bracket that holds the cable, which is attached to the spring. And that's probably way more than you wanted to know about garage doors, but it just is empowering to be able to do stuff on your own. Figured this all out by feeling it. And watching the YouTube videos. Would have been even funner with power tools. Oh, I can take this right out. Okay, I'm not even going to take it all the way out.
What you took off?
Here's, I took this wheel out, and I'm going to replace it with a new wheel.
I have it right here.
I have here. All right. So we're going to put this new wheel here and slide it in. Oh, here we go. You're supposed to really take it all the way out. Take it all. Here we go. All right, right back into its place. Find the way the screw goes. Here we go. Screw it in a little bit. Fix my wrench. If I had 3 hands, this would be perfect. That'd be more of an oddity. Okay, here we go. Some of them are a little tighter than others, and my hands are getting tired. But that's not because I'm blind. I like to make blind jokes. What can I say? Okay, we're almost done here, and then we'll close this puppy down. Maybe I should shoot some WD-40 in these guys before we close down.
I'll hand it to you when you're ready.
What's that?
Let me hand it to you.
Okay. All right. Just a little bit inside there. Are you still working? Are we running out of WD-40?
Get clogged. Don't get it on your shirt.
Ooh. I don't know if this thing's working anymore. It might be clogged. Anyway, let's not bother the video with this. But thank you for watching. I want you to know how important it is to empower your kids with skills, your blind kids with skills, so they can do stuff on their own. Thank you so much.
Are you gonna close the garage or no?
Oh yeah, let's close the garage. I can do the WD-40 later. Okay, excuse me. Here we go.
Woohoo!
So much more quiet
Yeah.
when you don't have a broken wheel. Awesome. Thank you.